All right, I thought I would introduce just the give you the basic introduction of the metric measurement system. So just really quickly, I just wanted to review for the parents and the students a little bit about what we're doing this week in the metric system. Just because it starts now and this continues throughout the whole curriculum, and a lot of students I've had in the past have really become confused between the difference between a centimeter and a millimeter and a hectometer, and it's really easy to get them confused. But today I just began the lesson, and I wanted to teach you a real quick thing that will help teach them about how to not confuse these and just to get the basics of them. So I'll just kind of zoom in here again real quick on the book. The basics are we teach them about the metric system and that the meter is a basic unit of length in the metric system. A meter is slightly longer than a yard. And then just kind of going down in here, this metric prefixes, you can see a decimeter is only 1/10 of a meter, while a decameter is 10 meters. You have a centimeter, which is 1/100th of a meter, so it's much smaller than a meter, obviously, and then a hectometer, which is 100 meters, and then a millimeter, which we're kind of familiar with, and that's 1/1000th of a meter, and a kilometer or a kilometer is 1,000 meters. So those can get really confusing. So what I've done to teach them the difference is a funny little story. You notice deci, centi, and milli all end in I. And so I just taught them a really quick, fun little story about a pirate being the captain of the ship and talking to the different people on his ship and giving them commands, and they wouldn't have the power or control as the captain, and so they would all say, "Aye, aye, captain, aye, aye, captain." Sounds really silly, but it's worked for years. When I say, "Aye, aye, captain," the students know that that means the deci, centi, and milli are smaller units of measurement than a deca, kilo, or kilometer. Real simple, kind of silly, but again, hopefully that will help because this goes out throughout the whole year.